Hello, Paul again here from EMD Motorsport. Got this Porsche 993 yesterday. We installed the engine back in, gave it a nice wash down outside there, and now I'm just running the car to make sure the thermostat open and the fan comes on. That's the fan comes on, and it's going to be really hot here. At the same time, I got to double check for any oil leaks underneath as well. Let's have a look. Look at the floor, nice and clean. They look up. Okay, now this I had to run the car for about an hour at idle. I already put 9 liters of oil inside the car, the engine already. Actually put new fresh oil. I don't want to reuse the old oil. It's no point. But let's have a look. Let me put the flash on. There you go. Before it was just this exhaust was covered in oil from the cam cover leaking prior to coming to here. And the biggest giveaway of a Porsche 993 cam cover leaking, you have smoke coming from the wheel arches of the wheel. There's smoke coming out, and it's like just smoke everywhere when you're driving the car, because the actual cam cover leak onto the top of the exhaust there, and then the exhaust bake it like a cake. So you can see, I had to spend time outside cleaning the exhaust. There's more oil in the exhaust, on top of the exhaust, to get off, and then the oil went inside the grooves, a little cutout there. It's so hard to get the oil from inside there, the little cutout. It's full of oil as well. Yesterday I just cleaned it, so I brought it in this morning, and I ran the car for 1 hour. So now it's about an hour and a half at idle. It's nice and clean, and the floor, there's no oil on the floor there. It's a pretty good. And just one thing I gotta show you. Someone did take the engine off before, and then look at all this. And then look at that. That's just sitting there. So I've got to actually, and the other one I took it off because I just bought this one here to show you. Look at the rivets there. It's just sitting there from before. So I'm gonna put new rivets. It was actually easier to take the. It was much easier to take the, take the actual rear bar off, because everything wasn't on anyway, so that's much easier for me to take off. Just gotta adjust this a little bit more out, and I gotta make sure that's tight as well. Just little things like that. But for now, every time I do a cam cover on a big job like this, I have to run the car for an hour and double check it underneath. There's no point putting the car back together and give it to the customer. I've got to make sure that the actual car doesn't leak oil, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now this is good. I'm going to put the car back on the hoist. Actually, I'm going to top the oil level up now because the car's hot, and then car back on the hoist and do the gearbox level, because maybe a 1 liter came out when we actually disconnect the lines. Make sure that's full, and then start assembling the rear bar and put the airbox back on here, and some cover there for the wiring harness and all that. But other than that, it's looking really good. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.